Yeah. I've got an arrest warrant for you.
Business.
We've got you accepting money for him. We do. I've got your Venmo accounts.
We're here at this point because the investigation is complete. Everything that we need, you have.
Yeah.
Jennifer, come out now.
Cuff her in the front, and I'll let her sit with her kid till we can get somebody for her kid. I think she's got her mom that should be able to come get him.
The door just closed. Jennifer! Jennifer!
Do we want to hold the hallway? Move in and hold the hall?
Yeah.
We'll have to watch the kitchen, too, because it goes around, I think.
Yeah,
Jennifer!
Jennifer, show yourself. We're at the end of the hall. Show me your hands up ahead. Face away from me. Face away from me. And walk back towards my voice. Walk back. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Face away from me. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming back. Keep coming back.
Do them in the
coming back.
front.
I got it.
Matthew, you will be here.
Where is your child?
My child's in my room.
All right.
I did.
Okay. Jennifer, search warrant for your house again.
Oh my God.
You guys gotta stop this. You're in trouble. You understand that?
I'm in trouble?
Yeah. I've got an arrest warrant for you.
Oh my God.
So you got somebody to come get your kids?
Yes, my dad's coming.
He's already on
Why
his way?
am I in trouble for him?
I'll explain all that to you here shortly.
No.
Okay, we gotta clear the house, but you should come out. Why wouldn't you guys come out? We didn't have to break the door again. This is ridiculous.
Oh, go on.
So I'm gonna, Jennifer, we need to clear the house. We need to clear the house. I'm gonna want to talk to you.
Why am I?
If these are customers' dogs, I'm gonna need the customers' phone numbers so they can come get them.
Okay.
So I'm gonna talk to you, but wait till we clear the house. I gotta make sure the house is safe, okay?
Oh God. Why am I in trouble over him?
The back can come around.
God.
I tried to talk to you the last time, if you remember.
I didn't know.
I said, Jennifer, talk to me, help yourself out. And you chose not to talk to me. And so here we are again.
I didn't know this had anything to do with
This is very serious.
This is not
very serious.
That's his business, though.
I know, but I'll talk to you here in a minute. Just hold on a minute.
You want to try to talk to her again?
Yeah. I want to cut my.
Thank you, man.
Okay. That's why I got
we
this
could
one.
even try with him again.
This is on.
We could even try with him again.
Yeah, I plan to, but already by his attitude,
Yeah. 3 dogs in the house. 3 dogs created.
she already told me she'll help me find the owners.
Good.
For these dogs. So
Okay.
I want to talk to her first.
Okay.
I don't know that I want to do this full blown. I want to read Miranda, get the dog owners. Until I'll come down to jail and talk to her, and then go get the other one. Sound good?
She might be willing to do it here with the kid here.
Okay, we can try that. She's gonna get it to me.
Okay. One has like a collar on it, maybe with info. But
Yeah,
she's
gonna get me the information. I'll have you guys come. Me and Greg are gonna try to talk to her real quick. Okay. Thank goodness.
You know what this one's name is over here? Okay. So, kind of like the last time, we wanted to talk to you. Because of the situation, we have to tell you your Miranda rights, okay? We do have a lot of questions. Our number one priority, we want to get these dogs back to their owners. Okay? You know, that's the number 2 priority after your son. So his grandpa's coming?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to tell you your Miranda rights. If you have any questions, let me know, okay?
Okay.
I'm a detective with the Tactical Crime Suppression Unit, and you are hereby advised that you have certain rights as follows. You have the right to remain silent. You do not have to make any statements or answer any questions. You understand? Anything you say can or will be used against you in the law. Do you understand?
Yes.
You have the right to speak with a lawyer for advice before you are asked any questions. You have the right to have a lawyer present with you during questioning. Do you understand?
Yes.
You cannot afford a lawyer. A lawyer appointed by the court or a lawyer from the public defender's office will be provided to you for and during questioning without any cost. You understand?
Yes.
If you decide to answer questions now without a lawyer present, you still have the right to stop answering at any time. You also have the right to stop answering at any time until you talk to a lawyer. Do you understand?
Yes.
The legal heart of this encounter is the Fifth Amendment and its protection against compelled self-incrimination. Once a person is both in custody and subject to questioning, Miranda versus Arizona, decided in 1966, controls everything that follows. That decision requires officers to warn a suspect of the right to silence and the right to counsel before interrogation begins. The warning delivered here is complete and accurate, covering silence, counsel before and during questioning, and appointed counsel for the indigent. The warning, however, is rarely where these cases turn. The decisive question is invocation. A warning only protects a suspect who actually uses it, and the law places the burden of invoking on the suspect. Under Davis v. United States, decided in 1994, a request for counsel must be unambiguous. A passing remark that one might need a lawyer, framed as a prediction rather than a demand, does not legally compel officers to stop. The companion rule governs silence. Bergwis v. Tompkins, decided in 2010, is unforgiving on this point. Simply staying mostly quiet, deflecting questions, or repeatedly asking why one is being arrested is not an invocation of the right to remain silent. To stop an interrogation, a suspect must affirmatively and clearly state the intent to remain silent. Because no clear invocation occurs here, continued questioning remains lawful throughout the exchange.
Now that you understood your rights, we have some questions for you if you're willing to talk to us without a lawyer present.
We won't talk to you. I told you last time how serious it was, and I think you kind of didn't understand the severity of it.
I don't understand
So,
because I'm
and
not
what-
his girlfriend.
and that's
I don't
what we-
understand.
Jennifer, that's what we want to talk to you about. So, and I want to find the owners of these dogs. So you want to talk with us and help us out here, and you may be able to help yourself
I
out.
don't understand. Why am I being arrested?
I'm going to explain all that, but I have to know that you want to talk to me. You want to talk to us? You can stop at any time. So, and I need the owners of these dogs. So you want, so can we talk about it? So maybe you can better understand what's going on.
Can you just tell me why I'm being arrested? I don't understand.
Because you're part of Jason's business.
No, I'm not a part of
You
his
are.
business.
We've got you accepting money for him, for his dogs. Why, I do. We do. I've got your Venmo accounts.
His girlfriend, what? Oh my God.
You're wrapped up in this right now, and we want to talk to you. He is our primary target. But he's got you, I didn't say you're his girlfriend, but he's got you wrapped up in this, Jennifer. This is all his fault. So I don't want you to try to protect him. I just want you to tell us the truth about what's going on.
At some point, you got to think about number one.
Right. Because you got 2 kids. This is a very serious charges. This isn't just a dog train case like he's talking about. These are very serious charges. So, can you talk to us? Can you at least give us the dog owners' names?
I don't have their information. Can't you get it from him?
Last time he wouldn't give me any information.
I don't have, like I said, this is his business. Try to help a friend out. This is his business. Him and his girlfriend are broken up right now, and
Who's that?
what's her name? The girl from another state.
Are you talking about Tabitha? The one he's been training dogs with?
I don't know. There's a wife and girlfriend. I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know who else would. I don't know. One of them would probably know.
Okay, is the girlfriend still helping him train?
I don't know what he does. I'm just being honest. I don't know what he does.
But you're not being honest
What
because
do you see? Just be honest. Let's say, put yourself in the shoes of a customer of his business. Knowing what you know, seeing what you see, is he really training these dogs? You gotta take care of yourself. And this starts right here.
Can you tell me what charges I don't understand. What charges am I facing? Because
Sergeant Muncie can explain all the charges. It's a conspiracy, essentially.
Because this is not anything to do with me.
That's why we're trying to talk to you here. You are wrapped up in it, both by records, finances, obviously living with him. I mean, this business is operating in this house.
He doesn't live here.
He's been here every single time that we've come here. We've sat on surveillance watching the house more times than I can count. He's always here. He's been living here for months. Okay? You've got to stop trying to protect him, and you've got to start trying to protect yourself.
Yep.
Just tell us the truth about what he's doing with these dogs. Just be blunt. He is nowhere close. He is in a cruiser. He might have even left by now on his way to the jail.
Yeah, he's out in a cruiser. He can't hear you.
He cannot hear you, and he won't be around you anytime soon anyway.
But he's brought this into your house with you and your kids and got you into this. So I don't understand why you're wanting to protect them. I hope you think more about yourself and your kids than you do this guy that you don't even know that well.
We're here at this point because the investigation is complete. Everything that we need, we have. Okay, we have so many people who have called and complained to the police about the things he's doing to them, their animals, and how he's treating people. The only person who remains defending him right now is you.
Jennifer, we already know his scheme, the whole scam. We already know it. We've documented it. We've been investigating this for months, like I told you the last time. The only difference was last time I asked you to help yourself out and help us out and not let him drag you into this. But you've apparently chosen to let him come back here and continue this scam in your house. And that's what's drug you into this mess. So the only thing that gets you out of this mess or help get you out of this mess is you. And that's by telling us the truth and telling us what's going on, what he's doing.
Right now you have the opportunity to talk to us in the privacy of your own house. Okay? If we end up down at the jail or in a police department, other people are around, other people can see. Okay? We don't want that. We want to talk to you right here. But you have to...
I just don't understand.
The next layer of analysis is voluntariness, governed by the Due Process Clause of the 14th Amendment. Even a properly warned statement is inadmissible if it was the product of coercion that overbore the suspect's will. Yet the line between coercion and lawful persuasion is wide, and most interrogation tactics fall on the lawful side of it. Frazier v. Cupp, decided in 1969, holds that a degree of deception and psychological pressure does not, by itself, render a statement involuntary. Minimization, appeals to self-interest, and offering to talk in private rather than at a jail are all recognized, permissible techniques. None of them crosses into the threats or promises of leniency that would taint a confession. The Fourth Amendment plays a supporting role. The arrest rests on a grand jury indictment and a warrant. The decision to secure the residence before questioning is justified by Maryland v. Bowie, decided in 1990. That case permits a limited protective sweep of a home incident to an in-home arrest to check for others who could pose a danger.
How I'm being brought into this,
But
the customer complaints and all what you just said, that's all of his. I don't have anything to do with that.
So tell us what
this?
he's doing. If you don't want to tell us what you're doing, tell us what he's doing.
I'm not doing anything.
I'm not asking what you're doing.
He was
What's he
staying
doing?
here, and I was blindsided with being brought into the house.
How
Whatever
often do you see him out actually training dogs, or does he just leave them in the kennel the whole day? And keep in mind, I've talked to all your neighbors, and we've had surveillance on the house. How often is he actually out training dogs?
I'm not here.
All you can do is say what you see. That's all you can do.
Do you work anywhere?
I have a special needs child.
So that's kind of a full-time job here at the house. So you're here at the house.
Oh, appointments.
Okay, but you're here at the house with your kid a good bit. So you see him training.
And I'm with my mom a lot at their house.
These are also excuses, and by keeping this to yourself, you are defending him. Okay. When you're here, do you see him doing anything with the dogs? What do you see?
I guess I'm just confused how I'm being brought into this when it's not my business.
It's operating under your roof for one.
But it's not my business.
But okay, if let's turn it around and say it's a drug case. It's not. But let's just use this example, and we do a search warrant at 123 Main Street because we think one person in the house is selling drugs. The other person who owns the house, lives in the house, is just as liable for the drugs under that roof.
The most significant legal error in the encounter is a misstatement of accomplice-liability. The theory offered is that a person who owns or lives in a home is just as liable as the person committing crimes under that roof. As a statement of law, that is an oversimplification, and a consequential one. Mere presence in, or ownership of, a residence does not establish criminal liability under Ohio law. The state must prove knowing participation, not proximity. Each offense charged carries its own mental state requirement. Ohio Revised Code Section 2923.32, engaging in a pattern of corrupt activity, requires knowing participation in an enterprise. Theft under Section 2913.02 requires purpose to deprive, and cruelty to companion animals under Section 959.131 requires its own culpable state of mind. Presenting automatic liability as settled law overstates a suspect's true exposure and pressures a decision on a false premise. That this framing was an overstatement is borne out by the resolution of the case itself. The most serious charge premised on that enterprise theory was ultimately dismissed as to this subject.
Okay, it's kind of the same thing.
Sorry, is my dad here?
Not yet.
All you can do is speak for yourself and what you've seen. Okay, and that's why we're taking this time to stop and talk to you. Okay, we want you to cooperate. We want your help with this because at the end of the day, it is his responsibility, and he has roped in some other people, unfortunately, like you, who's going to suffer some consequences as well. But we want to talk to you about your involvement so we fully understand. Right now, all we know is what we can see from the investigation, the records, the cell phone data, surveillance, what we're being told by other people and customers, but we haven't heard the story from you. And that's what we want. We want your side of this. Otherwise, we're forced to just stick with what we know, what the facts have led us to believe.
In that case, I would need a lawyer anyway to fight for me.
Well, I will tell you, I'm going to give you my business card again in case you lost the last one when you talk to your attorney. Who is your attorney?
I contacted, what's his name? My dad said he'd hire me. Oh my gosh, I can't think of his name.
Okay. Well, you have time to figure it out.
And when you get to your attorney, have him give me a call. All right? I really would like to find out who owns these dogs so I don't have to send them to the pound.
I definitely don't want that.
Are these customers' dogs? Okay. Just to get them back to the owner.
Let me grab the,
You got the contract or something where we can find out who the owners are?
You got everything.
He has blankets in his game system. Do you want him to take anything else?
Just when you go back here, don't reach for anything. Just tell me what you're wanting to get.
Do you clothes and underwear, buddy? Toothbrush?
You got some shoes?
How about we get that? I know how it might be.
I still wouldn't be in here. He's got a.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry.
I didn't even see this one. Is there 3 customers' dogs here?
I'd love to know.
Where is this? Oh. I don't know where that comes.
You have
It's
somebody
a
assigned
hand-
camera?
Nick,
handwritten tablet.
I told him we were ready. I don't know if he's outside or what. You got what? I'm sorry, I didn't hear
It's
you.
a handwritten tablet.
Handwritten tablet?
Can I grab this real fast?
No, you can't have it. I can't let you ingest anything. All right, here's my card. Slip your shoes on. Let's go. Officer Green, you want to put those to the back now?
How are we gonna secure my door?
I'm gonna leave your dad with it.
Honey, I'm gonna take the cuffs off. I'm not gonna put you behind your back, okay?
We I really wish you'd just come to the door.
It wasn't
You guys
me.
knew we wouldn't go away.
It wasn't me. I didn't even know. I had no idea. God,
Put your hands in your back.
I've never been in trouble. I can't do this.
Well, you started out big. This is a RICO case. It's engaging in a pattern of corrupt activity.
His business. My name's not even on his business.
Doesn't matter. You're facilitating it at your address and taking money.
No.
So, like I said, when you're a lawyer, when you talk to your lawyer, have him reach out to me. I'll be glad to talk to you.
Sorry, honey. Come this way towards the light. So I can see. If there's anything on you that shouldn't be, anything's on poke your stick, man.
No.
Check your pockets.
Where's my son? I don't even know.
So through that.
Can I get their phone back real fast? Oh my God.
No, we've wasted enough time. You didn't even come to the door a while ago. They're ready.
I love you, babe.
Careful getting in, man. It's a hard seat.
Right there. Everything's recorded, so be careful what you say.
I can't even believe this.
Monty, you
With the doctrine established, the conduct of each party can be evaluated against it. The detective receives a B-. The legal mechanics were largely sound. The warning was complete, no force was used, and questioning was wound down once the suspect drifted toward counsel. What lowers the grade is the inaccurate liability pitch and unprofessional language captured on a recording device after the subject was removed. The subject receives a B for sound self-protective instincts undercut by a lack of clarity. Declining to confess and limiting statements to personal observation served her well, and the gravest charge against her did not survive. Yet equivocation, rather than a clean invocation, left her exposed to continued lawful pressure that a clear assertion would have ended. The department receives a B+ for thorough, well-documented, warrant-based investigative work. The grade stops short of the top tier because on-camera profanity reflects a body-worn camera professionalism gap. Several practical lessons emerge from this analysis. First, a Miranda warning is only as protective as the invocation that follows it, and the burden to invoke rests entirely on the suspect. Second, the magic is in clarity. A single, unambiguous statement, "I am invoking my right to silence, and I want a lawyer," ends questioning. Anything softer, under Davis and Burguese, legally permits officers to keep talking. Third, lawful interrogation tactics can sound like settled legal conclusions when they are not. Statements of liability made during questioning are persuasion, not adjudication, and the elements of each offense still must be proven. Fourth, every word recorded by a body camera is evidence of professionalism, including words spoken after a suspect has gone. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.